Hi guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is me Nayan and hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome in this lockdown. So yeah, the lockdown is extended and we do not have many things to do, but our skin is actually getting degraded day by day because we are not taking care of it, because we are not going out, so we are not maintaining it well. But do not do that mistake. And so here I have brought some really good face packs for which you don't have to go anywhere, you just have to go to your kitchen. So these face packs are very efficient and it will get you back that glow. So right now I'm not having any makeup on except the lip balm. So I'm fully prepared to get these face packs onto my face. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 face packs and each you can find it in your kitchen or your home. And if you don't have the ingredients, don't worry, there are 3 face packs, so you can just choose any one, whichever you like. These works amazing for both men and women, and I have a normal to dry kind of skin, so it doesn't really matter because I'm going to tell you the tips how you can use these face packs for each skin type. So stay tuned. So before we go into the video, please hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and also click the bell icon beside it. And also recommend my channel to all other friends. If you're Instagram, please follow me on Instagram too, because I post contents over there too. So yeah, let's move on to the video. So the first face pack is the Besan Haldi face pack. So Besan means chickpea flour and it will have some turmeric and some rose water. So let's make it.
Take a tablespoon of besan, a pinch of turmeric powder, add some rose water to it and also some normal water.
So technically your mixture should look like this, if you can see. So yeah, once you just pull back your hair and start applying evenly on your face, just don't apply near your eyes or under eyes. I've applied it evenly all over my face and it's still left. Just don't forget to see the consistency. It should not be too thick or too thin, somewhat like this. Now I will let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. So as you can see, I have removed the face pack using gentle circular motions and try to scrub it off, but not very harshly. Just try to be more gentle. Okay. So as you can see clearly, my skin looks little reddish because of the scrubbing, and it will go in a while. But yeah, it is looking so clean, so it's a very good exfoliator, I could say. So Besan acts as an all-time exfoliator. It will just give you that glow if you're not using your regular scrub, or if you're out of it and the markets are closed so you can't get it, you can always use besan or chickpea flour to scrub your face. And yeah, the rose water will give you that natural glow, and also turmeric, which will help to kill the germs that are the impurities that are present on your skin. So yeah, these 3 ingredients together are like a very good combination. So do try this face pack out. And if your skin feels little more dry, then you can also add some olive oil or honey based on your requirement. Let's move on to our next face pack. So the second face pack is our sandal face pack. This is also very popular, and this has been used by all our moms and grandmoms, and we have seen them using it many times. Now I have used it almost completely. This is my second tub, by the way, and this is by Heritage Sandal Face Pack. You can get it online. I can just paste a link below so that when you can just get time or this lockdown is over, you can just get your hands on this. Otherwise, you can just use your any other sandalwood powder and mix it with some rose water and use it on your face. start mixing all of them together. So I've just mixed rose water. You can also add normal water, it's up to you, and just apply it evenly all over your face. Again, this face mask can be a little drying, but you can always add a little bit of moisturizer at the end of this process. So I'm done with applying this face pack and I'm looking like a ghost basically. Anyways, so if you can see, I've left my under eyes area and I've got some on my hair as well. I'm just gonna wait for some 10 to 15 minutes and wash this off very gently, again in exfoliating motion, circular motion, and I'm gonna pat it dry and come back soon. So yeah, my skin is looking squeaky clean now, and I will go on and apply some toner and moisturizer. If you have not seen that video where I have told you about all the skincare essentials, please go and check that out. I'm gonna link it somewhere here. And yeah, so let's move on to our next face pack, which is a fruits face pack. And if you have any fruit, I think it can work wonders with papaya, but today I'm gonna be sharing the tip with you guys using a muskmelon. So here I have a muskmelon, a slice of muskmelon, and I'm gonna scrape out this portion which we usually throw and do not eat because we eat this part, and I want to eat it right now. It looks somewhat like this. If you can see, it looks very gooey and stuff, but yeah, you have to rub this on your face. This is the best face mask out of all the 3 face masks that I have just told you. So just rub it off using your fingers. In circular motion, it will be the best. Once you're done applying this, it looks like a serum actually, and you can just, you know, rub it on your face using circular motions, using your fingers, and it just looks like a serum. It will tingle a little bit because it has that vitamin C and has all the acidic properties that a fruit will have, but that is the key, right? That will give you the glow. So just keep massaging it onto your skin. Now I keep this face pack on for the longest time, like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, but yes, you can wash it off after 20 minutes, but 20 minutes is a must. It will just feel that your skin has got very tight, and that is the time to wash it off. So I have washed my face and I'm gonna pat it dry with my towel. If you can see, just my skin is like glowing. I don't know because of the light if you can see, but actually I can feel the glow. There is a little tingling sensation that has come from the fruit, but that is all okay. So once you're done with all these face masks and tricks, you have to apply a toner or a rose water if you do not have a toner, and apply a moisturizer, which is must. So I'm gonna be using this Kama rose water. It comes in a spray bottle. Put it onto my skin, and then I'm gonna use my favorite moisturizer. Just 2 pumps. Dot it onto my face. Voila! So yeah, I am all done now. My skin is so fresh, clean, exfoliated nicely. I've removed all the dead skin cells. I do not have any blackheads, if you can see my nose. And so yeah, I have done one thing productive in this lockdown, and that is just taking care of my skin. So yeah, you can also do that, and it requires just minimum effort. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment below which face mask was your favorite and which you're gonna use, and if you have any other face mask that you use and I should also try it on, so please write that in the comment section. And also please don't forget to subscribe, because that is important and it's free. That is the best thing. So yeah, till then I'm gonna meet you in my next vlog, which is gonna be coming out very soon. I promise this time it's gonna be very soon. So till then, yeah, bye bye.